had a top match. You had a top match, mate.
I think if we had Onana in there, we lose.
Yeah, I thought we were saying that. Oh, he sent it.
Did you just get that?
Yeah.
Well, yeah, was it really gay when Mike Tyson, who said you got the right hook of better than the Holyfield there? Give.
Well done, George.
In our first season, or the second, they came first. George, second team.
Shout out. Well done.
Stay with him, Jamie.
Go on, look. Come on. Well done, Bambi.
Okay, take the free kick, mate. Oh, look at it, good movement.
Well done. Well stood up, George.
Run off him!
Bees ball. Ball hard luck. Right, ball that, Bambi. Well done. God, great ball. Beautiful. Well done. Great pass, great finish. Well left.
Yeah.
Well done.
Joe's got over here. Joe's got 2 men.
Well done.
Okay.
So,
I'll try and do, yeah.
the goal there, mate.
Yeah. Hard luck.
I was like over.
Go on, you're in, Bambi there. Adam's on.
Come on, boys. Work, hey, work. If you want it, shout.
That's it, George. To touch.
Jimmy got 2.
Nice. Hard luck.
Chase it. To the ball,
Nice. Turn, Kay.
Keep going, you've got it.
Well done, JB.
Well in, Matt.
Lovely ball. Well done. Well done, JP. K. Great ball.
Well done, Gales.
Lovely ball. You're right, Ads. I know, yeah. Foul that. Fuck.
2 step.
Go again, Bees.
I would have missed that out of respect for the game.
Joe, you alright?
Honestly. You should be ashamed of yourself. Yep. Keep working.
Well done.
Yellow ball.
That'll do.
Yes. Unlucky champ.
Next. Well done, George. Have a pop. Hard luck, George. You all right, buddy? I see anything, mate. Well done, George. Bambi's on. Good ball. Well done. Good first touch, that. Lovely. Hard luck, good shot. Come on.
Go.
Next time, do someone to do this.
That's a good tracking, Ads. Oh, slippy, innit? Slippy, innit? It's hard, mate. It's difficult in this weather, Adam.
Should we finish that one?
No, you caught out beautifully. Nothing you could have done there. You took it first time. It's hard in this.
Let's get it back. Too easy, boys.
Snow is yellow.
Save, JL.
I've been doing 4 times a week.
Good out there, George, because you've only been up so long, buddy.
I know, so that's all I've been doing, just going to the gym.
Yeah, mate, you've done well, really well. Slipped straight back into it.
I'm not tired now.
No.
Fucking shook me hitting the floor that hard.
Oh, mate.
Go on there, lad.
I haven't had any contact.
Yeah, that's what it is. You get used to it, but you can't train on top. You just have to.
Good ball. Save, keep. Save, Bambi. Superb ball, that.
Go on, Hey. Now offer.
Time, Kay.
Shout it, Ads. Demand it.
Well done, Bambi. Good strength there.
Offer now, be away. Son.
Well done. Superb that. Superb. Well done, Bambi, again with that ball. Again, every time with that ball, Bambi.
Who's at the back? Line up, Matt, right back. Come there. Well done. That's us. Off up. Come on. Joe, we're back.
I'll do, JB.
If you know what's going on, get ready to make a run off him.
Well said, George.
Lucky. Well done, Bambi.
Strength. Hard luck. Amazing keeper.
So aggressive.
Come on, ref. Good battling there, lads. Well done, George. Well covered. Adds on. Oh, he's...
Left, go! Stay right, Ross. Stay right, Ross.
Ed.
George.
Good block, George.
Second. Rolling, training 8.
Hard luck. Right eye there, hard luck, Kay. Oh, hard luck. Hard luck there.
Yes, keeper.
Right eye there, that.
Go right up the way.
Oh, he's done him. Got great feet, Kay. That's lazy, that. Nice. Have a pop. Save keeps, hard look. Good ball, Bambi.
Nice, JP, well covered.
Well done, George.
Oh my God! Come up top. Here.
Let him know when he's got a man on. Man on, man on. Yeah, that's a good ball, that. Good strength, Bambi. Good run, JB. Ah, JB twice. JB, good running that. Bambi, superb again. Is that 4-2, ref? Yeah.
4-1.
4-1.
4-2.
4-2.
Hey, George. Turn up.
That's it, track him down, that's well done. And again. That's it, keep the pressure on, Ads. Good lad. Well done, JB. Adam, good pressure, that.
They're scared, you got pressure on, Bambi.
Save, John. Let's get rid of this bees. Oh, hard luck, hard luck. Touch. Ah, made himself a bit of space. Hard luck.
Go on! Between the two of them.
Go again.
Unlucky. Unlucky, Mikey.
Hard luck, hard luck.
Yellow ball, lad. Well done.
Bambi's on again. Save keeps. Go to him, go to him. Well done, JB. Well done. Go on, hat-trick's on. Hard luck, JB. Hard luck. Bro, let's make a move for you! Got excited then, didn't I, George? Well excited, mate.
Hopefully we get another and then I don't have to go back on.
You've done a shift, mate. You've put in a shift.
Match fitness is completely different.
Totally, innit? Yeah, you could jog all day long, can't you, mate? But this is different. Yeah.
Just with my touch and stuff, like I misjudged it.
I think you've done terrific considering you've been out for so long, mate. He has, hasn't he? Right, let's mark our men now.
I got my hands too. Nice for full work. I'll get this on camera.
Look at him. Hey! Go with you if he's ever go. Like if I get back into, I just want to run. I don't want to do any other shit.
Yeah, so put him on. Well, I said put him on. He put himself on. And we worked out our 2 rep max, so then we know what we can work on.
Yeah.
Minus 20% from that. And then we'll do that.
That'll be mint, that. Well, looking forward to it.
So from there. Worked out how much protein he needs, all that stuff as well.
Everything.
Yeah. So he needs 100 grams of protein a day plus.
It's a lot, innit?
To build, that's 1.7 grams.
It's 1 gram per pound of body weight.
So to build muscle, that's like 1.7.
You only need 1.5.
So I thought if I set 100, chances are you're going to get it in. No, 100 grams of protein. I don't know pounds, but it weighs 65.5
Yeah, lads.
The basic rate is 1 gram protein per pound of body weight. That keeps you what you're at.
Yeah, that's what
if you're an athletic
You're right.
That's what I was trying to think of the surgery. Everything.
Do you need to come off, Ad? Are you alright?
Hard to drink it.
Well done. Well shouted. Nice. Good movement. Hard luck. Shout, hard luck. Well done, JP. Oh, hat trick! You all right? Go on, let's track him down there. Don't give him time there. Don't give him time there. Well done, Adam. Bambi's on. Good touch. Hard luck. Hard luck, Bambi. Hey, good battling there, lads. Well done.
That's it. He said to me, obviously, bring support.
Well done, lads. Oh, hard luck. I've seen him go in.
Same with a 3-month.
Oh, cheeky touch, huh? Hard luck. Well done, Kay. Well done. Hey, Kay, you didn't give up there, Kay. Well done. Finish, Bambi. Well battled there, Kay. Lovely ball. Come, Mikey. Hard luck. Great ball, Bambi. Hey, let's get back. Just get back in it again. We go again.
Next one goes in there, Mikey.
Good control there, Kay. Well done.
Lucky Bambi.
Save, JL. And again, get red. Put pressure.
You know what the worst thing about down and hit the forward? How's he there on his own?
Hey, well done, John.
Come on, Mike. Sunbed, back at football.
Look, Andy's on. Have a shot. Have a shot. Well done. Beautiful.
Finish. Go on. Mikey, well done, mate. Right decision.
Hey, well done. Hey, Mike. That's it. Put him on the bees. Go pressure at Ads. And again, Ads. Well done, Adam.
Get hold of that, Adam, yeah. Get hold of that, yeah.
Drop down.
My bad.
Alright, unlucky. Hard ball, Adam. One dive in. Well done, Mikey. Now just try doing it that way, yeah? What? Is that in the way or is it on?
I can keep marking George, you get him.
Man on, man on, man on.
Oh, do it! I'm going to get hike organised and get the... Good ball, Mikey! Get this on camera.
Whee! There's a duck near George.
I'll get in my pocket.
Get this on camera.
Well, George!
Oh, good last minute save that, John. Well done, mate.
Yeah?
Chambo. No one Chambo. Oh, great feet, Kay. That's it.
Oh, he's got nothing.
Oh, hard luck.
Someone's got pace. Just got more job.
Have some shame.
Flavour Flav.
Well done.
Nice.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Yay!
Not bad.
Not bad.
I'm watching Brazil.